Hello and welcome everyone to Hanspa's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making chicken 65. Chicken 65 is a really famous South Indian dish. So before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now let's get cooking chicken 65. Let's start with half kg of boneless chicken. To this we are adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste made at our home. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and then because we want it spicy, so 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Sprinkle some black pepper, it's up to you how much ever you want to sprinkle, and add 1 egg. After this, you're going to mix them all together. We are adding egg and cornstarch to give the chicken a really crunchy texture because chicken 65 is crunchy and savory. This recipe does not require marination, so let's take a large pan, add some oil in the pan for deep frying and start adding the chicken. The stove should be on medium-high so that your chicken does not burn, but at the same time your chicken gets cooked from the inside. Cook the chicken on one side for at least 2 minutes while stirring it occasionally, and then turn the chicken on the other side. Chicken 65 is a very famous South Indian dish, and this dish is known for its strong curry leaves flavor and also its spiciness. So this dish is going to be very spicy with a strong flavor of curry leaves. So as you can see, our chicken is now cooking really well, and we are going to fry this chicken until it's golden brown. As you can see, our chicken looks nice, golden and crispy. So take out the fried chicken in another plate and use a paper towel to soak up the extra oil. So now let's prepare the sauce. So you're gonna need some sliced green chilies, chopped cilantro, chopped garlic leaves, chopped garlic, chopped ginger and curry leaves. So take a large pan again and add 2 tablespoons of oil. You should use the frying oil because that has the flavor of the chicken in it. To this, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry them. Keep your stove on medium-high again. After the cumin seeds are fried, we are going to add the chopped garlic cloves, and we're going to stir fry them a bit as well. Now add some green chilies, curry leaves and chopped ginger and stir fry them until the garlic is golden. And as you can see, our garlic cloves are golden, so we are adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder to this and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and mix them all well. To this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce because again, like I said, this is a very spicy dish. And then add some water, about 2 tablespoons, and mix them all well. After everything is mixed, add the fried chicken to the sauce and mix the chicken with the sauce well. Stir with a light hand, and again remember your stove is still on medium-high. Now we are going to add chopped garlic leaves which are fresh from our own kitchen garden and some chopped coriander. Mix them all well and cook for about 1 more minute. As you can see, our chicken looks ready. So we are going to enjoy our chicken 65. We're taking it out in a small bowl because chicken 65 is usually eaten as an appetizer, but it can also be eaten as a main course dish. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you liked it, please don't forget to tell us in the comment section below. There's also a written recipe in the description box below, so check that out, and we'll see you next time. Bye!